EA640F2 is usually equipped with a high-performance power supply system that can provide enough power to drive each LED module. The capacity of the power supply needs to be accurately calculated according to the size of the screen and the power consumption of each module to ensure that each unit is adequately supplied with power. The receiving card is an important component that connects the LED module to the control system. It is responsible for converting the video signal into display content. During installation, ensure that the connection between the receiving card and the LED module is stable to avoid signal loss. When installing the cabinet, ensure that each LED cabinet is installed firmly and arranged neatly. The LED cabinet needs to have a good heat dissipation and ventilation system to ensure the stability of the LED screen in long-term use. After the installation is completed, the aging test is a key step to ensure the performance of the screen. Through long-term continuous operation, each LED module is detected to have faults or abnormal performance. EA640F2 Indoor HD LED Video Wall presents high definition and bright colors, bringing vivid and delicate visual effects, suitable for advertising, commercial and stage presentations.